My name is Ian, and I want to explore with you one of my favorite things. Can you see it? It's all around me. It's behind me. It's underneath me. It's actually above me and falling on me. It's inside me. And I have some of it right here. And I couldn't live without it. It comes in different forms. In its solid form, we call it ice. I can tell that it's solid because it doesn't let me pass through it. It keeps its shape, and it only presses down. In its gas form, it rises up to become the clouds that are covering the sky right now. And in its liquid form, got a couple more solid pieces here. In its liquid form, it can take the shape of any container I put it in. Because the particles are held together, but they can flow over each other, allowing it to flow both down and sideways. Most of Earth's surface is covered with this thing. Do you know what it's called? It's all this blue stuff here around the continents. Yeah, it's water. Water is so amazing. We can have it in all three of its states on the Earth, which not many things can do. It's a big, wet world to explore. Will you jump in with me?